Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are hooking up us cozy crochet book covers ideas. Get ready to project your books and in style with your crochet book covers ideas. In this video we will be making a beautiful stylish themed crochet book covers using yarn and techniques. Learn how to crochet this stunning book cover to keep your books safe and stylish. First, let's start with the foundation chain. We will be using a multiple of number and stitches. Now let's add the pattern texture. We will be using a combination of double crochet stitches and single crochet stitches and make these all the ideas unique and easy. Use a stitch maker to keep trick of your place in the pattern. Experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment to keep your cozy book covers unique. Make your books study out with unique and colorful crochet design. Keep your books organized and project with studies crochet covers. Crochet book covers the perfect solution for books lover. Hope so you like this, all the patterns, all the ideas and different tips and tricks and different techniques. If you want more information about these all the collections, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. These all the ideas are easy to knit at home with the help of crochet hook and yarn. If you want more information about these all the collections, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Crocheting book cover is a claiming and modest amazing style and ideas about these all the pattern. If you want more information, so please visit my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relatives, customers and others. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to let my daily routine videos that I upload daily for you. I have uploaded many different type of videos on my YouTube channel such as crochet work, baby frock, ladies dresses, booties and many other ideas about crochet work and knitting work. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. Please share your creativity with us on social media account using hashtag. I will see you and explain you full detail in my next video. You see my previous videos and see full tutorial about these all the collections. So please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relatives, customers and others. Okay viewers, see you in the next video. Take care. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching all the ideas, all the design and different collection. Take care. Bye bye.